Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are your installations of HVAC like this? I took this photo from one of these installations and I was ashamed. Are your installations of HVAC systems like this? This is a question we must ask. As a owner, do you accept such quality of work, such installations of HVAC? We must introspect. Do you find gap in design and actual efficiency of HVAC systems? Because design was saying X efficiency, you are getting Y and there's a huge gap. The problem could be related to installation. You can see the kind of installations which are done in HVAC. One of the reasons for not achieving the right efficiency of the HVAC system is bad installation. HVAC system is energy guzzler. It is a system which has got a lot of components, a lot of products, and that has to be integrated. If one of the product not installed properly, you won't get the right or desired output, desired results. One can get best products, highest efficiency, chillers, highest efficient, cooling towers, pumps, smart HUs, but not if not installed properly, it will not give you the desired results. And that is where it's a brilliant opportunity, wonderful opportunity for all of you people who are in the field of HVAC executing the projects. This is one chance. There's a course on good installation practices of HVAC system which is available on Class Plus, and this course is very important course which can give a lot of guidance for the better installation. We can go on improving, but this course is a practical course. A lot of practical photographs, a lot of practical thoughts which are gone beyond this building this course. The link of this course is in the description box. Please enroll and go ahead with the correct installation. We can learn, we can grow, and we can do a wonderful installation which can be proud of. We should get ourselves pride in doing a right installation. So this is it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Ajaz Kazi. Thank you so much.